Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we shall be looking at a technical analysis on the currency pair, the Eurozone to the Great British Pounds. As usual, we'll be talking first on fundamental analysis before we move right down to purely what we see on the chart, the technical analysis. At the start of this week, we noticed that the GBP rallied sharply, and perhaps unsurprising given the extent of this upswing and following mixed Tuesday set of labor data, some profit taken by subsequently emerged. Jane Foley, senior FX strategist at Rabobank, expects the pound to continue appreciating, but at a lower pace. As we can notice, also there is confidence on fundamentals in the EU's vaccine program, which has been recently boosted. While we are forecasting further gains for the pound in the months ahead, we do expect the pace to be this, bit slower, as we see from the 1 hour time frame, a little bit of a slow momentum down to the downside before look up reversal of the trend looking to happen. Not only is there a lot of good news prior to the pound, but there is likely to be some degree of catch up in the vaccine rollout in the EU. So today, the European Internal Market Commission of Britain has stated that at least 12 of the 27 countries in the bloc are confident that they will be able to, vaccinate 70% of the adult population by mid-July. Although such good news is likely to be EUR supportive, so we do not expect the EUR to react in the same bullish way as GBP did at the start of the year. And as the UK's vaccine rollout also accelerated, this was linked with a push higher in the gilt yields, which is in turn coincided with rising treasury yields. And in February, a less dovish than expected tone from the BOE, the Bank of England. Germany's report export sector was also well supported last year from Chinese demand, suggesting there is less scope for a spike in the gross domestic product than in the UK. So purely now we'll be looking at what we can see right here on the chart on the 1 hour time frame. We are noticing a downside from the Eurozone GBP and a little correction, but now a little more downside to mark a new support zone before a probable push up to the uptrend. So Euro GBP intraday on our daily time frame, what can we notice? We can notice as long as that 0.8614 is support, we look for 0.8072 as our next resistance zone and our next profit zone as well. So the downside for an alternative scenario, the downside breakout of the 0.8614 zone would call for a new zone which will be at 0.8594 and an extension to 0.582. Also, our RSI is above its neutrality area at 50. Our RSI above its neutrality area at 50, and our moving averages are being concord and been trying to get it. So the MACD is below its signal line and positive. The pair could retrace. Moreover, the price is trading above its 30 and 50 period moving average, respectively, at 0.8629 and 0.8620, respectively. So if I were to make a trade on this currency pair, Euro GBP, so I place my entry point somewhat at this point, and I place my TP1 here at 0.86353 and an extension to the new zone at 0.86653. So from this point and heading down to the second TP, we should be seeing nothing less than 53 pips thereabout from this trade, which is good money. So that's our technical analysis on today's pair. Euro GBP. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.